Now, just to reply your question, the impact of COVID on the Robotex business. So we believe that we have a market share domestic as well as the international, both the market share with the Robotex. We don't see much impact on the business, being we are in the capital machinery, but we see that it will be a delay in delivery for the domestic supply. But for the overseas supply, we don't see any much challenges. And if we see down the line, we see the good time. So international from the international market. We have started our activity from 27th of April 2020. And just from the day one, we have decided to start the operation with the minimum possible manpower. So we have started the operation with the 33%, almost 60 people. We have started the operations. And from the day one, we have gone for all the maximum possible safety factors. So we at the entry point, we have a sanitization tunnel. Immediately there, after that, we have the hand sanitization systems, as well as we have the temperature measurement measured by the individual for individual persons. Then we have provided mask to all the employees. And we every alternative days we are providing a training to all the employees for social distancing. So this is the best practice that we are following at Robotex. If you see in last 50 to almost 58 days of this COVID-19, so Robotex was in constant touch with all the buyer as well as our vendor also. So during the line, we were in touch with for a courtesy call for about to ask for the family and whether they are safe. In case of any help, the Robotex team have already extended the enough help to almost many of the customer as well as vendor also. Apart from that, we have also took a lot of initiative to help our individual employees during this tough time. And apart from this, for a Robotex customer engagement in last 58 days, so we have circulated various safety measures messages to our customer, as well as we have directly interacted with many of the customers down the line. Apart from this, before week time, we have circulated the procedures, what is the precaution the customer need to take for a restarting of the machines in that, as well as we have allotted almost 9 different skilled engineers to give a online support to the customer so that they can start the machines with a minimum possible time. And almost we have, as on today, we have almost started more than 200 machines that we have started by providing some online support. So we have, so during this machine has been closed for more than 15 days. So this is all machines are a controller-based machine. So all each and every controller, they will be having some memory backup. So before they start the machine, they have to see the basic wiring, the input power supply. They have to check. And the next thing they have to check the battery backup of the controller. That is the only things which can happen in controller. So they have to check after starting the machine, they can check whether this battery is healthy or not. If battery is not healthy, then they have to reload reinstall the battery. While doing this, if there is any software corruption, then they can take a help from our Robotex team online, and the Robotex team will download the software and they can restart the machine with soon as possible time. See, if we see, we at Robotex and now in this manufacturing of capital machinery is almost now of 52 years. Now we see in last couple of decades, we have come up with a product which are recognized by the international market. Still, we were having some competitions from the Chinese supplier in last couple of years. Now we see that. So we in the overseas market, Robotex can have a more penetrations for replacing those machines in overseas market. if you see the technological wise, Robotex have had a technical collaborations with a joint venture with a Kalmar, Germany, and we have also started assembling the machines in our Ahmedabad plant. So that is going to be the satisfying the need of the market. To be honest, we do not see any much challenges about of these three things that you have asked. We have now enough liquidity on hand with us, so we don't see any major difficulties for this. But we see now for the labor also, we have almost now 95% local labor. So we don't see any much complications in that. We personally, I see that. So what are the orders we have? What are the ready machines we have? Immediately there was a shutdown from on 25th of March. So what are the machines ready with us? So I think now that those all delivery will be delayed by next 2 months. I think that is the time. That's now space blockage is the only issue. Apart from this, I don't see any much difficulty.